Hello, welcome to Crazy Problems to Easy Solutions. This is Satyapriya, MPhil in Mathematics. Today's the topic is factorization. So, factors of algebraic expressions. In that before only we have seen what is the algebraic expressions. Now the algebraic expression 5xy plus 3x, the term 5xy has been formed by the factors 5xy. That means 5xy equal to 5 into x into y. So x, y and 5 is the factors of 5xy, even though 1 is also the factors of 5xy. Since 5xy equal to 5 into x into y into 1. In fact, 1 is a factor of every term. As in the common, as in this case of natural number, unless it is a special required, we do not show 1 is a separate of any term. Now consider the expressions of 3x into x plus 2. It can be written as the factors 3x and x plus 2. That means 3x into x plus 2 equal to 3 into x into x plus 2. So the factors 3x and x plus 2 are irreducible factors of 3x into x plus 2. Here irreducible means the prime factors. So 3x and x plus 2, these are the prime factors. Instead of prime only we are using here irreducible factors. Method of common factors. For example, factorize 2x plus 4. So now solution, we will write each term has a product of irreducible factors. So irreducible factors means prime factors. We should write in the each term in prime factors. So here first term 2x is there. In the 2x, 2 into x, 2 is a prime number, even x is also prime. X, it can be divided itself only. So 2 into x we can write, and 4 is not a prime number, we should write in the prime number. 2 into 2 equal to 4, then 2x plus 4 equal to 2 into x plus 2 into 2. In this 2 is a common for the both terms also. So by the distributive law, 2 into x plus 2 equal to 2 into 2 plus 2 into x. So 2 we have to write in the outside. We can write therefore 2x plus 4 equal to 2 into x plus 2. Then 2 into x plus 2. This expressions 2x plus 4 is the same as 2 into x plus 4. Is both also same? We have to multiply into inside the bracket of the terms. Then you are putting for the term 2x plus 4 only. Next, factorization by regrouping terms. For example, factorize 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. So here regrouping method, we have to separate in the groups. In that groups we have to take in the common terms. First, check that first two terms have a common factor 2y. So first we have to make a group in first two term, and another second two term is another group of number. First we have to consider in the first two term 6xy minus 4y. So here y is a common. First thing the y you have to take in outside, and then prime factors we should write. 6 is not a prime number, even though 4 is also not a prime number. So 6 into 2 and 4 is we can write in 2 into 2. So here 2 is a common, we have to take it in outside. 2y into 3x minus 2. So this is equation number 1. Then look at the last two terms. If we can change the order in this, in this 6 minus 9x is there, we can change the order, but we should specify the sign also. If it is minus means we should mention for the minus only. So 9 minus 9x plus 6, the factor 3x minus 2 will come out. So here minus 9x plus 6 equal to, here what what is the thing? 3 is a common. 3 is common. 9 and 6 is not a prime number. 3 3 is a, and 3 2 is a, 3 is a common. We should take in outside. Then minus 3 into 3x minus 2. Then putting together, we had to add in together first and second equation. Look at the left hand side, 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. Instead of 6xy minus 4y, we can write in 2y into 3x minus 2, and instead of 6 minus 9x minus 6, we can write in minus 3 into 3x minus 2. So therefore 3x minus 2 is here common, we can take in outside, and remaining what is the term is there, 2y, and minus 3 is there, we should write for that term also. Then the factors of 6xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x are 3x minus 2 and 2y minus 3. Factorization using identities. We know the identities handle. So in this we are using for the mainly three identities only. 3 to 4 identities. First one, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. For example, factorize x square plus 8x plus 16. So solution in this form we have in this form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square means here x square plus uh, 2 into x into 4 plus b square. Look at the in b square. First of all, b square, the value is a 16 is there. Obviously b is what, 4. So b is a 4 means in that 2ab we can write in 2a is we know x only, and b is a 4, and x square plus 8x plus 16. Since a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, by comparison x square plus 8x plus 16 equal to x plus b 4 whole square. Here a is a x and b is a 4. And example, another example problem, 4y square minus 12y plus 9. Here minus is there, then we can write for the minus formula. Observe first of all 4y square. 4y square is there, 4 is a 2 square root, then 2 into y square. So 2y whole square we can write. 9 we know obviously 3 square, and 12ay we can write 2 into we know a and b. A is what, 2y, and b is what, 3. Then multiply for the 2 3s are 6, 6 into 2 12 minus 12y. So therefore you have to apply the values. 4y square minus 12y plus 9 equal to 2y whole square minus 2 into 3 into 2y plus 3 whole square. So we have to write 2y minus 3 whole square. Factors of the form x plus a into x plus b. In general, the factorization and algebraic expression of the type x squared plus px plus q, we find two factors a and b of q, so such that ab equal to q and a plus b equal to p. That means we have to find two factors, that a and b. If that factors if we can add means a plus b the value is a p, and a into b the value is a q. So look at the p where it is the sum of in the middle of the term, and q is the last term. In this expression, x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, ax and bx we have to multiply and then take out the common terms, and final terms we have to look at x plus a into x plus b. For example, find the factors of y square minus 7y plus 12. So we know that AB what in the AB means the q is the product of two terms, that is in 12, and a plus b is a minus 7. So here 7 we have to consider and then put in minus in outside. So 12 is there, which number we have to multiply, we are getting in 12 means 3 into 4. Even 6 into 2 also is a 12 only, but if you can add this number, add that number, 6 plus 2 we are getting for 8, but here what number should come? Minus 7 should come, no, right? So we have to consider for 3 into 4. 3 fours are 12, and 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So A and B is 3 and 4. Y square minus 7y plus 12. Then y square, here minus is that, minus 4y minus 3y plus 12. Then making a group in first two terms and last two terms. In that first two terms, y is a common. Take out in the y minus y into y minus 4 minus 3 into y minus 4. Again here y minus 4 is a common. Y minus 4 into y minus 3. Then the final answer is y minus 4 and y minus 3. If you want to check that the roots is correct or not, so you have to equal, put in the final answer in equal to 0. Y minus 4 equal to 0, then y equal to 4. So what is the AB answer we are getting? A equal to 4, no, right? Then this answer is correct. And again we have to check out y minus 3 equal to 0, then y equal to 3. Again B value is what? 3. So obviously the answer is a correct. Thank you for watching in Crazy Problems to Easy Solutions. Keep on watching. Bye.